Body parts. Listen and repeat. What is it? It's a head. What is it? It's hair. What is it? It's a face. What is it? It's an eye. What is it? It's a nose. What is it? It's an ear. What is it? They are cheeks. What is it? It's a chin. What is it? They are lips. What is it? It's a mouth. What is it? It's a tooth. What is it? They are teeth. What is it? It's a neck. What is it? They are shoulders. They are two shoulders. What is it? It's an arm. What is it? It's a hand. What is it? It's a finger. It's one finger. What is it? They are fingers. They are 5 fingers. What is it? It's a belly. What is it? It's a leg. What is it? It's a knee. What is it? It's a toe. One toe. What is it? They are toes. They are 5 toes. What is it? It's a foot. It's 1 foot. What is it? They are feet. They are 2 feet. Now it's time for a quiz. What is it? Perfect. Cheeks. What is it? Bingo. Shoulders. What is it? That's correct. Mouth. What is it? That's correct. Teeth. What is it? That's correct. Fingers. What is it? Exactly. Knee.